What's up guys, Landon here, and today, actually tonight, it's 11:41 p.m. I am going to be showing you the rest of the fireworks that I got today, and my little sister's recording again. I know I said she wouldn't, but whatever, I don't care. Okay, no, whatever. Alright, let's get into this. By the way, I got all these fireworks at way low. It's out in Skytook, Oklahoma, and yeah, now let's get into this. If it's blurry, I'm freaking sorry. Well, let's get into this. Okay, let's get that. Alright guys, so we have bunker bombs, and they're just a little 10-pack of firecrackers. Is it blurry?
No.
Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 of those. And then next we have Screaming Dragon. These are bottle rockets. Yeah. I think, how many are in there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 12 of them in here. Next we have Night Stalkers. And there's 6 of them in here. Don't want those. We have Moon Traveler bottle rockets, and there's a bunch of them in there. It's basically a full brick of them. So, yeah. Next we have Whistling bottle rockets. It's a box of them. Yeah, look at the door. Okay. Next we got Getting Noisy, which they're like ultra crackling balls. And I got 2 boxes of those. Next we have a 40-inch Mammoth day parachute. So, yeah. We got Red Rhino little satellites right here. Next we have 2 Black Cat firecracker strips. There's 100 of them in here. Next we have a 2-colored spaceship. We got another one. I don't know what brand this is. Probably Red Rhino or something. Whatever. Next we have... Okay, I'm sorry for the shaky camera. I really am. Is this even on my face?
Yes, it is.
Okay, just make sure. Next we got 2 boxes of Red Rhino flashing strobes. Done with those. Next we have smoke balls. We got another pack of those. We got another pack of Red Rhino dynamite. Those firecrackers. We got some small bees. The Red Rhino. And then we got these. These are like these. They're, I think, Boomin' Bulldog. That's a brand, I guess. These are the same thing as the Getting Noisy ones. They're just really big. Domes of sparks. And I got 2 packs of those. And then I got some punks. This was all $57. And I got it at way low fireworks. So, yeah. We're gonna get into this outro. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry that it's not that cool, it's just lame. What'd you take?
Nothing. I took money and I put it back.
Okay, yeah, you better. Anyway, sorry for the blurry screen because it's blurry. Anyway, alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!